In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses and developers frequently face significant hurdles when trying to access valuable online data, such as frustrating geo-restrictions that limit content based on your location and IP blocks that target automated requests. These persistent challenges can severely hinder essential activities like in-depth market research, detailed competitive analysis, and seamless global content delivery, ultimately making reliable data acquisition a highly complex and frustrating task.
Introducing Lunaproxy, your comprehensive and powerful solution expertly designed to overcome these obstacles and deliver seamless, unrestricted access to the online information you need anytime.
Lunaproxy truly empowers businesses and developers with unparalleled access to data worldwide, ensuring you can gather the critical information you need whenever and wherever your projects demand it without interruptions. At the core of our service lies a massive network of over 200 million residential agents, providing unmatched anonymity, high success rates, and reliability for all your data operations and web activities. These genuine residential IPs make your requests appear completely legitimate, just like those from real users, significantly reducing the chances of detection, blocking, or any disruptions during your data collection. With such a vast pool of over 200 million agents at your disposal, you can confidently perform large-scale data collection, extensive web scraping, and high-volume operations with maximum efficiency and peace of mind. Beyond just impressive scale, Lunaproxy offers extensive global coverage, reliably supporting over 195 countries worldwide for truly comprehensive reach. This broad coverage allows you to effortlessly access localized data from virtually any region around the globe, delivering accurate, region-specific insights perfectly tailored to your target markets. Whether you're closely monitoring evolving global trends, verifying ad placements across borders, or rigorously testing localized content variations, Lunaproxy ensures you have everything covered comprehensively. Our robust, state-of-the-art infrastructure guarantees high uptime, rock-solid reliability, and consistent connections, which are absolutely critical for all your time-sensitive data operations and projects. Lunaproxy is meticulously built for top-tier performance, delivering blazing fast speeds and ultra-stable connections to effortlessly handle even the most demanding data tasks and intensive workloads. Our intuitive, user-friendly dashboard combined with seamless API integration makes it incredibly simple to manage your proxies, monitor performance, and effortlessly scale your operations exactly as needed. We provide dedicated, expert support every step of the way to ensure a completely smooth experience, helping you fully maximize the potential of your most important data projects. Lunaproxy is far more than just a proxy service. It's your strategic partner, empowering businesses and developers to achieve true digital excellence in a competitive world. Unlock the full potential of online data right now with our secure, highly anonymous, and globally accessible proxy solutions tailored for success. Join the rapidly growing number of satisfied clients worldwide who trust Lunaproxy for all their critical data needs and operations every day. Visit lunaproxy.com today to learn more about our powerful features, explore our services, and start your journey towards truly unrestricted data access immediately.